Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard erasers soft. A hard eraser can be frustrating, often smudging your work or even tearing the paper. But don't worry, restoring its original softness is quite simple. A soft eraser glides smoothly, removing marks cleanly and efficiently, making your corrections much easier and more effective. Let's dive into some easy methods you can try right away. One of the easiest ways to soften a hard eraser is by using warmth. Simply rub the eraser vigorously on a clean piece of scrap paper or even your palm for about 30 seconds. The friction generates gentle heat, which helps to loosen the eraser's material, making it more pliable. You'll notice a difference in its texture almost immediately. This is a great first step for slightly stiff erasers. Another effective method involves introducing a little moisture. Take a small, clean cloth and dampen it slightly with water. Wrap your hard eraser in this damp cloth and leave it for a few hours or even overnight. The moisture helps to rehydrate the eraser's material, restoring its flexibility and making it much softer for future use. Finally, you can try gentle kneading or a tiny bit of oil. For kneading, simply work the eraser with your fingers for a minute or two to warm and flex it. Alternatively, apply just one small drop of mineral oil to the eraser and gently rub it in. Always test your softened eraser on scrap paper first to ensure it doesn't leave any oily residue on your important work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.